gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
All right, this is the unboxing you've been waiting for. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro and Pro Max are here, and that orange sea color, it might surprise you. We've got two phones, the Pro Max, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage in orange sea, the regular Pro, 12GB RAM, 512GB in orange soda. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the Pro Max. Pull the tab and wait, look at that color already. That is stunning. Huawei calls it orange sea. Why? Think beach sunset. That moment when the sky glows orange near the horizon and fades into blue above. And yep, that's exactly what this looks like. Deep orange at the bottom, fading into lighter tones, then soft white orange, and finally a subtle blue at the top. Orange dominates, blue just accents it, but the blend is super smooth. And it's not just the back, the gradient runs everywhere. Even the camera module follows it, slight orange shifting toward blue. That level of detail, impressive. Now here's the twist, the frame. It's aluminum but also gradient. That's rare. Orange at the bottom, blending up into blue. It wraps all the way around like a flowing ring. Honestly, it ties the whole design together. So, quick question. Rate this orange sea color from 1 to 5. What's your score? And this isn't the only option. The Pro Max comes in 5 colors, 4 with gradients. Radiant purple shifts from purple to pink to white with a hint of yellow. Emerald Lake blends green into silvery white. Chen Shijin goes from white to gold. And Keystone Black, clean, solid black. No gradient, just classic. All of them are inspired by nature. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Orange sea is a beach sunset. Radiant purple feels like a city sunset. Honestly, it gives La La Land vibes. Chen Shijin, early morning light before sunrise, and Emerald Lake looks like green water next to white sand from above. For me, orange sea wins. I'm a sucker for sunsets. Now, flip to the front. There's a protective layer, let's peel it off, and wait, no screen protector? Yep, it's gone this time. Huawei usually includes one, but not here. Why? They've upgraded the glass strength. I'll explain that later. For now, power it on. While it boots, let's check the box. Inside, you get the accessory pack, SIM tool, quick guide, and a clear hard case. Snap that case on, and the gradient actually pops even more. Under that, charging gear, a 100-watt fast charger and cable. During setup, you'll see SIM options, physical SIM, eSIM, even a QR code. You can run 2 physical SIMs, 2 eSIMs, or mix both. Pretty flexible. All right, now the Pura 90 Pro. Same unboxing, and boom, orange soda. Totally different vibe. Frosted back, soft, matte feel. The gradient goes from darker orange at the top to lighter, then into a golden tone at the bottom. But here's the contrast. The camera module is glossy, reflective. It pops against that matte back. The frame? Still aluminum, but no gradient. Just a clean copper orange tone with a slightly glossy, almost glazed finish. Feels premium, even without the color shift. So, what's your take on orange soda? Rate it from 1 to 5. Curious what you think. Now, apart from this orange soda version, the Pura 90 Pro actually comes in 4 colors, and one of them might surprise you. Alongside this 3-fruit black variant, the other 3 use gradient designs. Take Pink Guava. It's a full-on 3-tone blend. Pink at the top, yellow in the middle, and green at the bottom. With even a hint of blue, it really does look like a guava drink. Then there's Coconut White. Looks simple at first, but look closer. Clean white on top, fading into a soft pink at the bottom. Subtle but nice. And finally, 3-fruit black. the only non-gradient option. It's not deep black, more of a smoky grayish tone. Here's the cool part. All 4 colors are inspired by soda drinks. Pink guava, orange soda, coconut white. They feel like those colorful beach drinks. You know, the layered ones that look super refreshing. That's the vibe. So while the Pro Max is all about nature-inspired gradients, the Pura 90 Pro goes for a fun, soda-style look. Different ideas, but both scream vacation. Personally, I like it. It feels calm, relaxed, and visually satisfying. Now, while the phone powers on, let's check the box. You get the accessory kit, SIM tool, and a clear case. Put it on, and yeah, it looks good, but honestly, I think it looks better without it. A matte case might suit it more. Now the charger, this is different. You get a 66-watt adapter here, not a 100-watt like the Pro Max. Non-foldable plug, USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's more compact. During setup, there's something missing. No eSIM option, just physical SIM settings. Meanwhile, the Pro Max does support eSIM, so yeah, that's a key difference. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades on the Pro Max, the new Kunlun glass. This is anti-reflective and scratch-resistant, but the real upgrade? Reflection control. The blacks look deep, almost pure black. Compare it to the older model, like the Pura 80, and you'll notice it instantly. The older one looks slightly gray. This one, true black. Tilt it and it's even clearer. The old screen reflects more light. This one barely does, and even shows a slight bluish tint. Reflections are way dimmer. Huawei says reflections are reduced by about 70%, and yeah, you can see it. On older models, you'll see your face clearly. Here, it almost disappears. This really stands out in dark scenes or bright sunlight. Big difference. Fingerprint resistance is better too, around 200% improvement. Smudges are much less visible. And durability? Way stronger. 25 times better drop resistance, 16 times better scratch resistance. That's why there's no pre-applied screen protector this time, just the raw display. Now let's check out something interesting, the lens extender kit for the Pro Max. Inside the box, you get the case, a bracket that matches the camera design, a manual, soft case, leather lens pouch, and a lanyard. Here's the extender. It offers 3.33 times magnification. You also get a mount, clip system, and adapter ring. Everything snaps in securely. There's even a camera grip. It clips onto the back with a spring mechanism. Lock it in, and it stays solid. Remove it with a quick press. You also get a tripod mount with a 4.66mm socket. Now let's install it. Attach the case first, then mount the teleconverter lens onto the telephoto camera. Open the clip, fit it, press, and rotate to lock. Once it's in, it's not going anywhere. And honestly, the final setup looks serious, almost like a real camera. Speaking of cameras, the Pro Max packs a 200-megapixel telephoto sensor with RYYB. It's built for long-distance shots with great clarity. Add the teleconverter, and zoom gets even better. We'll cover the full camera and AI features in a detailed review soon. And that's it for this unboxing of the Pura 90 series, including the Pro Max and the lens install kit. The starting price for the Pro Max is 6,499 yuan, around 705 pounds or $953. So, what do you think? Would you buy the Pura 90 series? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!